Hey everyone, this is the final filler on the remote control truck. 3 winners, 10 at 480, spots 1, 2, and 3 each get a spot on the main. Thanks everybody for the fill. Copy the list. Go live. 446. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 447. And we have a 6. 447. 10 items on the list. It's 2. 3. 4. 5 after the 5th time. There's still 10 items on the list. Mr. Dwayne Grantham is on the top and on the bottom. We randomized 5 times. The dice call for a 6. 448, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. And spots 1, 2, and 3 are winners. That's Mr. Dwayne Grantham, Mr. Dwayne, and Mr. Landon. Congrats, winners. 10 items on the list. 6 times. The dice call for a 6. Y'all pick your spots in order, and we'll get the main ran. And we are done at 448. Thanks, everyone.